Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and welcome back to another cold day of cooking outside. So hey, today we're gonna be making something that is super simple. Very easy to do. We're making these miniature wood fire grilled pizzas. And we're gonna make them right here on my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. And they're a great snack. They're great for dinner for the kids or for yourself. A great treat for game day. But any way you want to use it, these are going to be very easy and, more importantly, very delicious. So let's get started. All right, like I said, very simple today. So I have these Pepperidge Farm mini bagels. You could do this with regular size bagels if you wanted to do that, and just make everything regular size. But it's kind of a fun little thing to do them, the miniature ones. So these are pre-sliced, so all I got to do is just kind of break them apart a little bit there on both sides, and then lay them out. I'm going to keep doing that until I've just basically got my my baking sheet here covered. All right, I've got these bagels separated. They're here on my cooling rack. I'm actually going to just put this whole rack onto the pellet grill in just a second, but I'm just kind of using the cookie sheet to catch some of those ingredients that might be falling off here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give all of these a generous little helping of olive oil here. That's going to help some of the ingredients stick. It's also going to be good for flavor, that sort of thing. Okay, so we'll just get a nice little coating there. And now I'm making two different types of pizzas. I'm gonna make a classic kind of more like white pizza, and then I'm gonna do pepperoni. So I'm gonna start with my pepperoni ones. For that, I have this pizza sauce, just pre-made pizza sauce. You can just buy this at the store. I'm just gonna use a regular spoon here. Do a little stir. I'm just gonna put this down right onto my, my bagels. And we're going to do this not for all of them because, like I said, I'm going to make a few of them that are white pizzas. You can really just get creative here. Put whatever you like. Anything that you like on a pizza. You know, pizzas are one of the easiest things to make because they're also one of the hardest things to mess up. Because you really get to just do whatever you want with the pizza. Whatever toppings you like, stick them on there. Whatever kind of sauce you like, stick them on there. You could use pesto. You could even use like Alfredo on something like this. Alright, so I've got my pizza sauce on there. You could obviously make your own pizza sauce if you don't want to use the pre-made store-bought stuff, but again, the name of the game in this video is easy, simple, and quick. Alright, so next I'm going to, on these other ones that we're going to do for our white pizza, I'm going to add a couple of different things. So I'm going to add some garlic powder. Just open that up. Just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to add some oregano, again to that white pizza. There we go. All right, and now comes everyone's favorite part, the mozzarella cheese. So because I'm putting cheese on all of these, I'm just going to go right up over all of them. Just like that. I feel like I'm working in my own little backyard pizza shop here. I'm not getting stingy on the cheese here. All right. Boom. All right, seems like we're good to go with our cheese. All right, now for just a few of these, I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes. And sometimes you can put those on after the pizza's already made. I like to kind of just start with that a little bit on a few. Not on all of them because not everybody likes that. So I'm just gonna do these three over here on this side. And then on all of my pepperoni ones, obviously you gotta have pepperoni. So I'm just going to sort of sprinkle these around onto my pizzas here. I'm not going to get too crazy about how they're placed on there, as long as they're not just, a big old pile of them. All right. See, that was easy. All right, so my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart is currently getting to 400 degrees. We're about 50 degrees away from that right now. And as soon as this thing hits 400, I'm gonna put these pizzas on. So you notice that I had them on that little cooling rack on top of a cookie sheet. Cookie sheet, again, was just to collect all the excess. I'm gonna take that entire cooling rack and I'm gonna stick it directly on the grates of my Lockhart. And then we're just gonna come back and check, and they won't take very long at all to make, maybe like 15 minutes or so, just until that cheese melts and we've got just that really, really nice color on those bagels. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on as soon as this thing hits 400 degrees. All right, we have hit our target temperature. It's time to go in with these pizzas. All right. Okay, like I said, just leaving them right here on the racks. There we go. All right, we'll be back to grab those as soon as they're done. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check on these pizzas. Oh, they look beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. All right, these look delicious. You can see here, just looking at the bottom, crust is not at all burned or anything, but it is nice and crispy. I'm gonna go ahead and dig into one of my favorites, the pepperoni. All right, let's get a bite of this pepperoni guy right here. Oh, the cheese, so good. I wanna make sure I get some of that red pepper flake. Oh. I mean, what can't you like about it? It's pizza, right? Man, that was so simple. Just a few minutes in there, simple toppings, easy to make, and holy smokes, is it good. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. All right, I'm gonna take these inside because it's cold out here and I can't wait to eat more. And I know that my kids are hungry for these. Kids are gonna absolutely love these. So hey, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Check out one of these other videos of things that we've done here recently. Always cooking up great stuff outdoors on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you next time.